Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video, I will explain you design of 3-story house by using ETAP software part 3. So I was already done my part 1 and part 2 videos in my previous sections. Please follow that videos initially. So after analysis process completed, we need to design this respected 3-story house. So for that, initially we need to go to click on design option. So here we need to select the concrete frame design. So here we need to select a view revised preferences option. So here we need to check the design code and some parameters which are related to designing part. So after that, click on OK option. Now go to select design again. Click on concrete frame design. So here we need to select this respected second option, rebar selection rules for the column sections. So now select rebar column rules. So it will be consisting of details for non-seismic requirements and details for seismic requirements. So for this respected 3-story building, I was considered the seismic loading condition. So that's why we need to consider details for seismic requirements only. So here we need to select the smallest bar size, largest bar size and ties dimensions for this respected building. So here I am taking smallest bar size will be consisting of 12 mm. Again I am selecting this respected 16 mm bars. So after that we need to select the ties bar sizes. So here I am selecting smallest bar size will be of 8. Again I am selecting largest bar size will be of 10. So after that we need to select the minimum spacing option as well as maximum spacing option. So here I am assuming minimum spacing will be consisting of 50 mm. Again I am taking maximum spacing will be of 300. Click on OK. So after that again select a design option. Again in the same way we need to select the concrete frame design. Now we need to select the rebar selection rules for the respected beams option. So here I am selecting the beams here. So it is also consisting of detailing for non-seismic requirements and detailing for seismic requirements. So here we need to select the smallest bar size, largest bar size, preferred bar size, minimum number of bars. So here I am considering smallest bar size will be consisting of 12 mm. Again I am selecting 12 mm for the bottom reinforcement also. Again I am selecting largest bar size will be consisting of 20 mm for the top reinforcement. Again I am selecting 20 mm for the bottom reinforcement. So now select the preferred bar size. So here I am assuming it has 16 mm bars. Again I am selecting it as 16 mm bars. Now here we need to select the minimum number of bars required for the respected top reinforcement as well as bottom reinforcement. So after that we need to select the stirrup bar sizes for these respected beam sections. So here I am selecting smallest bar size will be consisting of 8 mm. Again I am selecting this respected largest bar size will be of 10 mm. So after that we need to enter the minimum spacing as well as maximum spacing. So here I am considering it as 50. Again I am taking it as 300. Click on OK. So after selecting the values for the respected rebar for the respected column section and beam sections, we need to select the design option again. Again select concrete frame design. So here we need to select start concrete design check. So click on design check for the respected concrete. So it will design the respected values for the respected beam sections and as well as column sections here. So this is the percentage of values of the AST percentage required for the different types of beam sections and different types of column sections. So after that in the same way go to design option, click on concrete design. So here we need to select the design display information. So here we need to select the design output. Now I am selecting it as a shear reinforcement section. Click on apply. Click on OK. So this is the shear reinforcement section diagram for the respected 3-story house for the column sections and beam sections. So after that we need to check the values for the respected beams and column sections as per IS code. So for that initially go to detailing option here. Click on detailing preferences. So here we need to select some standards and dimensions units. So here I am selecting it as metric unit system and length will be in meter as well as section and thickness will be in mm. Rebar spacing is in mm, force will be in kilonewton. So after that we need to select OK option. Now we need to select the detailing option again. Again we have to select the start detailing option here. So it will do the analysis for this respected diagram like this. So this is my diagram which is related to the floor frame plan store 3 which is of 9 meter height. So after that we need to select the respected drawing sheets component. So here I am selecting this respected standard detailing. So it will be consisting of typical concrete beam elevation 2s, typical concrete beam section elevation 3s. So here I am selecting 2s section. So this is my front view for this respected 2s section. So it will be consisting of different types of zones here. So this is the corner zone. So this is the corner of the beam which is comes under your zone A. So this is a zone B. So this is a zone C. So in the same way, it will be consisting of zone B as well as zone A here. So select your typical concrete beam of 3S. So it is also consisting of 3 beam sections, which is of zone A, zone B, zone C sections. So after that, here I am selecting beam section A. So this is the beam section A. So here I am selecting beam section B. So this is the reinforcement values for the respected beam in zone B section. So this is the reinforcement value for the respected section in zone C. So after that, select the concrete column typical elevation. So this is the concrete column typical elevation for the respected 3-story house. So it will be consisting of 9-meter column for this respected building. So after that, select the column section A. So this is the reinforcement diagram which is related to column section A. So after that, we need to check the beam design details. So select the beam detailing. So click on concrete beam rebar table. So this is a concrete beam rebar table. It will be consisting of beam ID, span number, length of the beam, and section size and longitudinal bars. So it will be consisting of 2 bars of 14 mm dia. 402 is the value of the reinforcement which is required at zone A. So it is also consisting of 2 bars of 14 mm dia at zone B. So in the same way, it will be consisting of some reinforcement values as well as this respected area of the steel requirement for the respected longitudinal bars. So after that, it will be consisting of stirrups here. So it will be consisting of 3 bars of 10 mm dia, 125 center to center distance stirrups for the zone A section. So this is the zone C section. So it will be consisting of 20 bars of 10 mm dia, 125 center to center distance. So after that, select the column detailing, select column diagram. So here I am selecting frame plans, select the concrete layout. So this is the center to center distance between the columns for the different types of sections. So it will be consisting of A, B, C, D is the notation in right hand side section, and 1, 2, 3, 4 in vertical direction distance. So after that, we need to select schedules and tables, select concrete tables. So this is the concrete tables for the respected building. It will be consisting of this respected values of the reinforcement for the section of CC1 column. So these are the different types of column size, section, reinforcement, ties in zone A, ties in zone B, ties in zone C. So it will be consisting of your reinforcement value. It will be consisting of 4 bars of 22 mm dia and 4 bars of 26 mm dia for this respected section for the ground story. So after that, we need to check the reinforcement cage view values. Select reinforcement cage view, click on beam. So here we need to select any one of the beam section for this respected building. So here I am selecting 4C B1 section, double click on it. So it will load the respected diagram of beam diagram like this. So it will be consisting of your reinforcement values like this for this respected beam section. So after that, click on close option. In the same way, we need to check the column reinforcement details. So here I am selecting CC1. So this is a column diagram which is related to the CC1. So it is also consisting of your reinforcement detail diagram for this respected section. So this is the concrete design reinforcement values for this respected column. Click on cancel option. So after that, we need to see the reports for this respected project. So click on reports option. So it will load the respected project report for this respected building like this. So this is a project report for this respected 3-story house. It will be consisting of 106 number of pages. So it will be consisting of each and individual calculations for the respected beam section, column sections, and every part calculations by using ETAP software. So this is a process design of 3-story house by using ETAP software. Thank you.